This is a review of the portable wireless speaker that we are going to be doing a unboxing and review on, in which the brand sent me out this product to do a test on that was gifted to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside, and from there we are also going to test this product out. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside. Here's the speaker itself. This is a 5-watt speaker. That's one thing I love about it is it's super lightweight, compact size, and it does have a huge amount of bass and punch when it comes time to play the music. I tested this product out. I was quite amazed and astonished on how, the bass and the clarity really surprised me. Right over here, you get the instruction manual guide in case you want to learn more information about it. Right over here, you get your USB-C charger. So when you have to charge it up, it's located right over here, the slot, where you just, press it in there and then you charge it up. It does have a 24-hour battery lifespan as well too. Right over here, we also get a elastic strap as well too. So if you're going to do any hiking, jogging, or running, this will definitely come into play and help you out. So that way it doesn't fall down. But this is, waterproof, and it withstands against water. So you can have this around the pool and you don't have to worry about it, getting damaged or anything like that, since it is waterproof. It, withstands water. Right over here, we get our different settings. So this is a pause button. Right over here is if you want to increase your music, decrease your music. And then right over here is your power on button, which we could turn it on to show you guys. So you just click this button right over here. And then it automatically connects to your phone as well too. And it'll just automatically connect like that. It comes with the iOS, and you can use this for your Android as well too. It also comes with the hands built-in free calling as well too. So it comes with a built-in microphone, so you can use that and not worry about holding your phone. So if you're using this for driving or for gardening or for cooking, then you don't have to hold your phone. So that is a really huge plus, that this product comes with that feature. So you can have, you could talk to people without holding your phone. That really is a cool feature that it comes with. But overall, if you're looking for a small, compact size product to deliver a lot of bass, music, and clarity, this right over here is probably one of the best products to get, carry around with you if you have any pool parties, any functions, any events, or even just for fitness or exercise, for your daily activities. This right over here is probably one of the best products to get, especially since it comes with the hands-free built-in calling as well too. You could talk to people without holding your phone. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a wireless speaker that you could carry around with you everywhere, that is portable and small, compact size, super lightweight. This right over here is probably one of the best products that you could get.